There's my tent camp setup. Got a fireplace set up. Got some wood gathered. Coffee, grill, and folding table, sleeping bag, small cooler. Tarp over the top of the tent now to keep when it rains. Just went down and got some of these rocks, gathered these rocks here, and then just threw the tarp over the top of the tent, and then put all those rocks all along in there. So here's the rocks over here on the other side. Gonna get a look at the back side of it here. A little bit more waterproof in case it rains. So kind of being prepared for more solid type of a tent setup. If it could be out in the rain, if you get caught in the rain. So there's an idea. You just throw a big tarp over your tent, gather some rocks, put them on the side there. And then you could also, put your wood underneath there to keep it dry. Like on the side here. And then like all your tinder, and you're ready to go. And that's pretty much my camp setup.